Indian Council of Social Science Research ICSSR ge meeng makhada Research and Development Cell Manipur University Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS MU amadi Institute of Educational and Development Studies LETS Noidana punna kusamnaduna workshop program ama pangthokre 2-week capacity building program for young faculty member on recent advancement in social science haiba hiramda MIMS auditorium da pangthokiba workshop program aduda Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra Singhna Chief Guest Research and Development Cell MU gi Director Professor CS Ibohol Maitai na President School of Social Science MU gi Dean Professor Memsa Loitongbam MIMS MU gi Director Professor Prabhakar Laisam amadi English and Foreign Language University Hyderabad ki hanagi Dean Professor Sudhakar Benukapalli Guest of Honor Singwaina Saruk Yake Tharumga Marilena Research and Development Cell MU gi Director Professor CS Ibohol Maitaina Haikibada Sayol ani Sathagadori ba program asina faculty members singi marakta knowledge research innovation paper publish tauba yauna idea sing exchange tauba ngamlagani haiki chief guest ki warol piraduna MU gi BC Professor N Lokendrana haikibada honglakliba matamgi matungina productive oiba mawongda research tauba gi tangai fadaba lagli ekhoina hiram kayada research tauragasu madugi outcome leitragadi sinafam leiroi haina phongdokhe